Hey guys, it's Turboseth here. I'm Andrew. We got Seth over here.
What's up?
So we wanted to talk a little bit about this Tesla Model 3.
It's a beautiful piece of machinery. I like the wheels.
The
Sorry
wheels
if you
suit
can't
the
see it
car
that
really
well.
good. The wheels are actually the same size on a Hot Wheels for once, which is one
Here,
of
go
Hot
back to the
Wheels'
wheels
big
real quick.
problems. They're actually the same size.
Wow. Shocking.
And they picked a kind of awkward car. They picked an awkward car to do front, back, and even logo detailings.
Yeah.
License plate
I mean, I'm
detailings,
definitely not
everything.
complaining. This thing is pretty cool looking.
Yeah, it's pretty cool, but like not a lot of people know this car. Like it's actually like you don't see it on the road that often. It's always the Model S and Model X and stuff.
If you guys don't know, me and Andrew, we live in Oregon. We see a lot of these Teslas around just because it's Oregon and people around here have money and spend it on green cars instead of actual supercars. So yeah, as you can see, like Andrew already said, look at those front details. That's amazing.
It's amazing detail. Like, why can't they do it on like the Golf, like the
panoramic
Golf Mustang.
sunroof? Yeah, right.
Like the Golf Mustang we made a video on a while ago.
The back details lined up perfectly, unlike the Tesla Model X that we just reviewed a few days ago. This thing actually amazing. I think it's the best Tesla Hot Wheels has ever made, even better than the Tesla Roadster. It's got the mirrors too, which is pretty rare for Hot Wheels.
Yeah, one of the things I don't like about like the Tesla Roadster for Hot Wheels is that they put it in the Hot Wheels, like the Hot Wheels space pack. Like, and I personally, I don't like the astronaut sitting in the front. It just looks dumb.
I like it, but to each their own. So, thank you for watching. If you like the Tesla Model 3 Hot Wheels from 2019, be sure to like this video, subscribe. I lost about 5 subscribers, so I mean, it doesn't hurt. Does it hurt, Andrew?
Not that much.
So, yeah. Bye.